Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart right now. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Thank you guys over at MERACH for sending me this unit for review. Much appreciated. And this is a MR950 water and electromagnetic rolling machine. This is going to be sweet. I'm going to test this out and everything today. You get a free courses on the MERACH app. All you got to do is just download it. Pretty simple. Easy to use. It's like different sceneries you can have in the background. You know, like different rivers and stuff like that through the water. So you and your crew could go rowing down the river. Rolling. There you go. Big old box. FedEx guy didn't want to drop it off at the porch. Left it on the side. But it's good. All in one piece. Big old box. So pretty heavy. So if you're you might want to get a partner to help you set up. They said it takes about 10 minutes to install. So we're going to do it quick. And then test it out. Be right back. Alright, YouTube. We got it open. Ooh, baby. We got some stuff right in here. We got a goodie bag right here. Portable water dispenser. Intelligent. Oh. More goodies. Manual. Yeah, this will be a fun one. But, like I said, it should take like 10 minutes to set up, which is not bad at all. So, I'll be back. Alright, guys, this is what you get. You got the tripod holder. I think these are grips. You get two of those, power cord, and Allen wrenches, screwdriver, or wrench. Now these are tablets to purify the water inside the tank. So all I gotta do is drop one in first use, and then, you know, pop it in and it'll purify the water. Alright. Now here's this little portable, intelligent water dispenser. Whoa. There's that. Came with the hose. A USB to charge it. And I already got it out in the other room. Just gotta plug it in, set it up a little bit more. But I wanted to show, I think I showed it, I'm not sure. It's been a weird day. Here we go. So it has all the goodies that come with it. And now, to show you guys the main part. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. Look at that. We got it plugged in. Ready, primed up. Like I said, I already downloaded the app. That's all you gotta do. I'm not gonna show the app because it's pretty simple. Easy peasy, but this thing is amazing. Everyone should get one for this 2025 year. Help you stay fit indoors during the winter time. Look at that. You got a nice little cushion for the cushion. You got your footrest right there. And you got your phone holder right there. Perfect combo. Look at that. Different speeds. Good control. And the water tank, like I said, I gotta fill that up and drop a tablet in there. See, that's where the hole you fill the water is. Right there. So, this thing is ready to go, guys. Nice solid wood. Excellent craftsmanship. I just wish I took wood shop, you know, more seriously than I did. This is really cool. There's a handle. You get your roll on. Get your crew. There you go. And it does have wheels. You can move around wherever you want to put it. And you could like have it upright, like in a closet. Either or, you're good to go. MERACH. My back is aching. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.